I the image I represent for GMarkProduction, you know. I bring you all the latest dancehall music, entertainment and eruption. You want to feel alive? Subscribe, GMarkProduction. Make them know. Yeah, surely the image says so.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? A man was stabbed while Aidonia was on stage because he allegedly stated that Vybz Kartel was a better DJ. It's not clear who stabbed the man, but all of this occurred while Aidonia was performing.
Between Friday night to Saturday morning, situation developed at the Ammunition Nightclub in Northford. That involved a DJ, Aidonia, and his entourage, and a patron at the club. Knives were brought into play, and this patron was stabbed. He was taken to the Sentence Bay Hospital, where he is undergoing treatment. So far, the Ocho police are investigating the matter with some intensity to come to a conclusion and to determine who might have inflicted the wound.
What the deal? Killa has confirmed that there is tension between the Alliance and the Gully squad, and both leaders are attempting to end the unnecessary feud.
What's happening with you and Mavado?
Nothing happening with me and Mavado. I heard a little guy called Waistcross did a song, but I don't know what's up with me and Mavado. To my knowledge, I don't know.
Isn't he a part of the Alliance to Chase Cross?
Honey, he's no alliance, he's an appliance.
Hey you over there so with your long mouth, you better watch the words that come out your long mouth.
What the deal? Rumour has it that Todd has thrown a bottle at Stone Love Selector for playing Vybz Kartel's song in his club. Is it true? Who knows?
Informer, say when me never say when me never say, the police come take me where. But me must say, who the job bless, no man curse. Thank God Father, me pass the worst. Bundy cemetery, me pass the years. From water hose, go a water world. The more them fight, the stronger we get. You can't stop me, you want stick on it. Tell bad mind, say me nah no regret. Tell bad mind, say your life over dead. The more them fight, the stronger we get.
What the deal? A promoter plans to sue Vybz Kartel because he didn't perform at an event last year and wants his money back.
He didn't come to my event last year, and until now he didn't give me a reason as to why. I made numerous attempts to retrieve the money. He said that he does not return money, so I have to use another date. So I waited for a whole year and a half for this date to come around, and still couldn't reach an agreement, and I still can't get the money. So my lawyer is sending him a formal letter requesting money and the fees for these services, and then if he doesn't comply with this letter, then there will be a lawsuit.
What the deal? People, check out a preview of the Image latest track called Live Forever. It mad.
Live forever, with more life and more cash. Yo, what that me need, so what that me pray, cause nothing in life ain't free.
I'ma enjoy the life when me live for 24 years. More money, come more for way more gears. And none of me alone, come me have a mother and a daughter, a sister and a father. We surviving now, but them a face separation. So me want know where the big guys are wait on. For drop it out, we not for tea. Cause the water and the light bill cheap. And then the money what we making a week on the 9 to 5, we can buy me Benz Jeep. So you not have to feel away when you see me step out on the road with the mention clique. Because we only got one aim, one road, one goal. Dimension, yeah. One aim, one road, one goal.
That I feel live forever.
What the deal? Aidonia has announced that he has signed to Todd and said Corey has a great business mind because of what he has done for other dancehall artists.
Right now, we're at the point where the people say, Aidonia, a year time, so you have to come feed, you have to come take his experience, teach his wisdom. So we learn a lot over the years, and we're at the point right now, we understand it fully, and our time to shine, man. Aidonia is the voice of the young people. I mean, he has all the potential. I mean, lyrically, he's a great artist. I don't think his content really needs to change. I just think he needs to expound more, do different types of songs, and with the right promotion, he's easily gonna be the top DJ in Jamaica, without a doubt.
Corey says you're at now where Kartel was at some time ago. Would you agree with that description?
No, we're ahead of him, you know. At that point, when we're at that point, we're still ahead of him.
And you still really have nothing to say to Kartel or about Kartel?
One thing, get back black.
The takeover, me like it.
What the deal? Jakor has gotten married to CVMTV's weekly onstage co-host Camilla McDonald. The two were reportedly dating for some time now and decided to take that big step last Sunday.
You helped me to make up my mind, like an offer that I can't decline. The only one that's down to ride, just because you're qualified.
love that I can't explain, like sunshine in the rain. Sure when I'm feeling pain, the one that take my last name. This is you. This is you. Listen to you, my darling.
What the deal? Beenie Man gets US visitors visa.
I never need to do anything, you know, more than just wait my turn. Them call me and tell me say my turn, and we did one interview, and them come back for the next one, and them come back and say come with your passport.
And when you heard, how you felt?
Well, well, trust me, I've been out of the United States for a year and a half, so you know, it's a great feeling to know that I can go back in the United States, because I've been going everywhere, so why not?
And what did it cost your career? What did it cost your money making?
Well, it cost me a lot of money, you know, like seriously, because you know, America is a place where you go every weekend to work. Well, I still cannot work yet. I can only visit, see? So I'm still waiting on the work permit, so yeah, it's still costing me.
What the deal? Shaggy's new album Summer in Kingston has hit #1 on Billboard Reggae Album Chart. It also sits at number 29 on Billboard R&B and Hip Hop charts and 33 on the Independent charts.
Say she wants a simple life. Tell me say she need me one for second down and be my wife. Introduce her to the island life.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest news, music and mixtapes. So come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
And this a Pokemon jam, Pokemon jam. Man I know man I do the Pokemon jam. This a Pokemon